Adding members to a GitLab project allows collaboration and management of the project. Here's how to add members to a GitLab project. Navigate to your project. Log into GitLab. Go to the project section from the left sidebar and select the project you want to manage. Access project settings. Inside your project, click on settings in the left sidebar. Choose members from the drop-down menu. Invite members. In the members page, you will find an option to invite members. Enter the username, email address or GitLab ID of the person you want to add. GitLab will suggest matching users as you type. Set permissions. Choose the role for the member from the drop-down menu. Roles include guest, reporter, developer, maintainer, owner. Add the member. Set an optional expiry date for their access if needed. Click the invite button to add the member. Verify membership. The new member will receive an email notification and will appear in the project's members list.